Might be wondering why I'm sitting here wearing a sweater. It's actually a really nice sweater. It happens to be a sweater I just bought. It's Italian and it's made from yak wool. I like saying yak wool. So I was excited to wear it. But why can I wear this sweater? Because I've learned what it takes to win online. If you want to learn what it takes to win online, pay attention because I'm going to tell you all about it in my review of Mindset U. Okay, look right now the sales page for Mindset U, this Mindset Mastery, excuse me. This is from my friend Deb. Now, this is probably the most important thing you're ever going to see online. Now, I know, oh, Eric, mindset, big deal. Yeah. Everybody has the right mindset. No, you don't. You don't. I didn't. Okay. When I started working online, I had all these great ideas. I thought I was going to conquer the world, and I spent a fortune of money and didn't make a penny. It wasn't until I started to change the way I do things to work with a system like this one that I started to really make real money online. And to this day, I've made hundreds upon hundreds upon hundreds of thousands of dollars online. I think it's close to $1 million at this point. And that's why I can say that I just bought myself a Yak Wool sweater, because the fact that I am willing to put in the effort and I was willing to learn what it takes to be able to do this. Now, of course, you're going to see me, Eric. Well, that's all very well and good. That's great. I'm glad for you that you got your mindset thing and everything else. But hey, Eric, you know what? That sounds kind of crappy to me. I don't want to just learn about mindset.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Yeah, I'm getting into that. I know you think it's crappy. Okay, seriously, dude, take a chill pill. Anyway, but yeah, I get it. After all, this would not be a Man That review if I didn't give you a whole ton of incredible bonuses.
I'm Raymond Reddington.
Dude, yeah. I know you're the man that had awesome. Right now, we're talking about me. We're not talking about you. So just relax. Anyway, but check this out. I want you to see this incredible list of bonuses that I've got for you. So first of all, this is probably one of my best bonuses ever. Instantly steal a list legally from any influencer you can think of on X. All right, you go there, and this new system I found is actually going to let you steal a list from any influencer on X. And no, it is not spam. This is perfectly legal to do. So if you don't have that list, if you're not able to put together that list, because after all, you're just starting, or maybe you didn't have the right mindset at first, whatever the reason is, you want to be able to sit there with your weird ass yak sweater and actually go ahead and say, hey, you know what? I've made it. You need a list. And that's the number one thing I'm going to give to you here is I'm going to show you how to get a list instantly, even if you have no experience whatsoever. This is probably the biggest thing, and I'm even giving it to you with PLR, which means you can use this thing to be able to go ahead and actually get people on your list. So you're going to give this away as your bonus. But of course, you know very, very well that if you want to be a successful entrepreneur, then you need more than that.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Yeah, I thank you. That's it's kind of you to say. But right now, let's talk about this because these people they want to be successful also. So how about my custom prompt for ChatGPT to have it write in the style of any copywriter you like? This one is a very, very nice thing. Works even with the regular ChatGPT. You don't have to have the advanced version of ChatGPT. This method will create content specifically around any kind of copyright. So whatever copywriter you like, whether it's me or somebody else that you like, you're going to be able to mimic their style of writing with ChatGPT and do it completely for free. We're still not done yet. How about making a custom slideshow instantly with AI? You can see here the slideshow that I created, 10 ways to make money online, tips and strategies for success. Instant stuff. It creates it automatically for me using this AI system. We're still not done yet, though. How about another one that I like to call the ChatGPT killer? No, it's not DeepSeek, by the way. So no, definitely not DeepSeek. This one is actually an American system, really, really cool. And it actually works even better than ChatGPT does. Okay, I'm gonna show you what it is, in my custom bonus. But we're still not done yet because after all, we have to have a lot of bonuses here. And boy, do we have a lot of bonuses here. How about, well, this one we did already. How about this one? Find the perfect keywords to target. Now, okay, this one is an AI which finds the exact perfect keywords to target every single time. Or how about perfect ad content? An AI that creates ads for you every single time when you need them. Check this one out. This exact bonus page, okay? My bonus page has made me so much money because I really have got it nailed down. I'm going to give you my exact bonus page. You can go ahead and use it for yourself. Or how about instant AI generated thumbnails or whatever it is that you want to go ahead and promote online. Okay, this is a very, very cool system. Thumbnails are important to have the right kind of thumbnails. We're not done yet though. How about your very own personal AI bot, which you train on your own website? And it's totally free. Okay, but how about one more? How about a new AI system that will create ads for you? No, we did that one, didn't we? No, that was perfect ad. This one is a different kind. This one creates ads based around the content that you're doing. So the other one is going to make ads specifically for your website. This one you can tell it about what you want to do. Two different types of ad systems. And then the final one, instantly made custom GIFs with an AI. You can see this silly little GIF I made with the falling money. Again, and it's completely free. You're gonna get all these bonuses included for free with full PLR rights. Okay, every single one of these comes with full PLR rights to you when you grab this, and check out the price of Mindset Mastery. Look at this price, $9.95. $9.95. You're getting 11 bonuses from me for $9.95. And every single one of my bonuses has PLR rights. Even if you had no use for this thing whatsoever, that is an insane bargain already. So let's see if I can finally give a tip on my hand. Oh, wait, let me show you the members area real quick here. See your face just a download. Not a big deal. Anyway, let's see if I'm gonna finally give a tip of my head to the product creator or not. Yeah, seriously, okay, this is really awesome. And as I said, this is the single most important thing you could possibly do for yourself if you want to succeed online. Use tip of my hat. The guy behind me, he's giving me a tip of his hat if he wasn't painting. The other guy behind me, he's tuning his horn to say, yes, go grab this one. This one is good. You're gonna love this.